Hello guys and welcome to another video. Happy New Year. Yeah, I celebrate New Year. Who doesn't? Whatever, let's not talk about that. Here we have an interactive visual presentation on Google Slides. You've seen the title. If you're looking for something else other than Google Slides, you can leave the video, but subscribe and watch my videos anyway. Why? Because I said so. I'm just kidding, do whatever you want, but please consider some of my other videos. Don't leave. We're gonna start this. Okay, blank slide. Let's pick a random theme. Shift. It doesn't matter too much anyway. We're anyway gonna have a blank page. Get this out of the way. Format. Wait, what? You gotta apply layout blank. So this is an interactive presentation about the human body. So let's find a picture about the human body. Let's search one. So, body. Okay, so let's do this one because, yeah. So now, we want to cover some specific areas that people can click on. This is a clickable interactive. So first, what you do, you go to polyline. Make a polyline for the head. You make it completely transparent. Oops. Yeah, you make this transparent and the border transparent. Don't never forget the border. Your audience is not supposed to know that the polyline is here. Just saying. So then here we have the torso, whatever. Apparently now your hands are in your torso, whatever. This isn't meant to be a Basaka drawing. And then we have the legs over here, whatever. It doesn't really matter. Just trying to give you the idea. Why does they keep doing that? So annoying. Okay, whatever. Point is, after you complete... Okay. The point is, after you complete all these polylines, then we need to label each of them. So we're just gonna do this. Feel free to skip a little bit of this thing. I'm not gonna make it any fancy or anything like that. Whatever. The arrow's right here and the head is right over here. Let's at least make this okay. Yes, that's better. Head. Just skip to part where this is irrelevant. Yes, finally. Head. Torso. And legs, whatever. Yeah, that's good. It's not, but yes it is. Whatever. It's whatever. It's not supposed to be good. So yeah. But this is gonna be our final slide, and if you want you can just add a video. You probably know how to do that. I don't know, whatever. If you don't know how to do that, then look it up on WikiHow. But this is original. Probably. Maybe not. Whatever. So we're gonna duplicate this slide. And we're going to remove these things that I spent a very long time working on. These arrows, these everything. You're probably thinking, what? You wasted 2 minutes of my life drawing that, and then now you're taking it out. Well, you'll see. So now you want to just leave one, so I'm just gonna leave the head. What the? And then legs. This is taking forever. Now the fun part, the actual interactive part, will start. Now we're gonna link all these polylines to each other. So we're gonna go here, slides in this presentation, to link this to slide 2, the head. Link this to the yeah. You see where I'm going with this, right? You don't? Yes, you do. Yeah. So this slide contains the head. This slide contains the torso. This slide contains the legs. Oh, I forgot to link it. This is the thing for link. Now we're just gonna finish that with all the other slides. You'll probably have no idea why I'm doing this right now, but it'll make sense later on. Finally, we're done. Now let's see how it looks in the present bar. So let's go, okay, kids, this is the human body, blah, 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 blah. I click on the head. So this is the head, this is the torso, and this is the legs. And you can actually do this. It seems like magic. I'm not doing anything. This isn't clickbait. Trust me. I'm just clicking. And yeah, that is how you make an interactive presentation, guys. Thank you for watching to the end. And yeah, hope to see you all later. Yeah, bye. Alright, why are you still here? You should leave now. Bye. Seriously. I'm just taking this off because I use Screencastify. They don't sponsor me.